good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. So we are continuing on additional mathematics calculus. We are still looking at differentiation. Now the subtopic is finding dy dx. Now in this video what we are actually doing are practice questions. So we have these three questions, and then the first question reads, differentiate with respect to x, y is equal to 3x squared minus x minus 1, b, y is equal to x minus 1 raised to the power 2, c, y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3 divided by x. So we are solving question number 1. And this will go like this. So this is a, y is equal to 3x squared minus x minus 1. dy dx would be equal to this exponent multiply 3, or this exponent would be, or we can say this power rather, this power multiplied by 3 to give us 6, like that. Then you subtract 1 from the power, you have 6x. And then the derivative of just a variable in this case, just get the number in front of the variable. That's the rule, that's the simplest rule. So because there's a power 1 multiplied by the negative 1 in front, we're going to have negative 1. Then in the power 1 minus 1, because there's an invisible 1, you subtract a 1, you're going to have x to the power 0, and then the derivative of a constant is 0. So dy dx is equal to 6x minus 1. Anything to the power 0 is just 1, so this is your answer for A. Then you have your B, which is y is equal to x minus 1 squared. So this one, for us to differentiate it, we can use various methods, but since I'm not going to the chain rule, we'll just expand this bracket. There's something called the chain rule, okay? And that is a way of differentiating. That's a way of finding dy dx. Now that will be looked at a later stage. So let's just expand this bracket. There's a simple way of doing it. We'll say y is equal to this x, you square it, it's going to be x squared, x multiplied by negative 1, negative x, times the 2, negative 2x, then the negative 1 squared is positive 1, like that. So this is your equation. This is the same as that. Then we differentiate it, it will be dy dx is equal to 2x minus 2. What have I done? The power multiplied by the number in front is going to give us 2. 2 minus 1 is power 1. We don't write power 1. So minus the derivative of a variable in this case is going to just be the constant, the coefficient in front of the variable. And then we'll be left with this constant there. So dy dx is 2x minus 2. And that's your answer for B. So we can go to C. Okay, C is y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 3 divided by x. So when you see something like this, you have different terms on top there as a numerator, then the denominator is just a single variable, just like that. You divide each and every term by that particular variable. That's the simplest way to go about it. Then now we differentiate. So don't complicate anything, don't overthink, don't complicate anything about this simple question. So it would be y, or let's just say is equal to x cubed divided by x minus 2x squared divided by x plus x divided by x minus 3 divided by x. And then x into x cubed is x squared. X into x squared is just x. X into x is 1. And then this one, we are going to use the negative index. Okay, that property of the negative index. So it's going to be equal to, or y is going to be equal to, so here we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 3. Then if this as a fraction goes up, it's going to be a negative. Okay? There it was positive, when it goes up, it's going to be a negative 1. Following the power that x has there. And then we just differentiate this. We'll say dy dx is equal to 2 multiplied by the number in front, which is just 2x minus 2. Like that, you just get the coefficient. Then the derivative of a constant term, just a number, is 0. So let's just skip that. We go here, we have this one, negative 3, x to the power negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. Then x to the power negative 1 minus 1. Since we have same signs, it will be the power negative 2, like that. And then your final answer would be dy dx is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 3. This is a negative index. It will go down so that it can become positive, like that. And then, of course, you put your therefore, then that's your final answer for that particular question. This marks the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this segment of this video. This has been Cornelius Subinda with another video, and bye bye.